What are the best digital marketing courses on Coursera that actually help you build real skills? And how do you choose the right one so you're learning what employers care about? In this video, I'll explain what to look for and how to make the right choice. A good digital marketing course on Coursera should go beyond theory and focus on practical skills. That includes learning how to run marketing campaigns, measure performance, understand SEO basics, manage social media strategy, and work with real analytics. The courses that are most effective don't just rely on videos and quizzes. They push you to apply what you learn through real exercises and projects you can actually show. Some Coursera digital marketing courses are built in partnership with major companies or experienced industry professionals. These tend to focus on tools and concepts used in real marketing roles such as campaign planning, analytics dashboards, audience targeting, and customer research. What makes these courses valuable is that they force you to practice instead of just memorizing concepts. Digital marketing courses on Coursera work well for beginners who want a clear, structured path, and for professionals who want to upgrade their skills or move into marketing roles. When you combine a few solid courses with small projects you build on your own, you end up with both knowledge and proof of experience. Being able to point to something you actually worked on makes your resume much stronger. When choosing a course, pay close attention to the syllabus. Look for hands-on assignments, real-world exercises, or capstone projects. Courses that focus only on lectures often leave you struggling when it's time to apply what you learned in real situations. If you want to explore the best digital marketing courses included with Coursera Plus and check the official pricing in your country, I'll leave my link in the description. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for a limited time, which can be worth it if you plan to complete multiple marketing courses and earn certificates faster. Thanks for watching.